Analysts say Zimbabwe's main opposition movement for democratic change, MDC-Alliance, should be seen as contesting the election results in court and not sit on the fence. Derek Matsyzak of the Institute of Security Studies says the MDC should not repeat what it did in 2008 when the late Morgan Tsvangirai failed to head to court over the disputed polls.
It's the case shortly after the MDC made these claims. In order to preempt them, the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission issued a spreadsheet showing all the results for the presidential election right down to polling station level. It would be rather odd to manipulate the results and then issue a spreadsheet inviting people to find out exactly how that manipulation had taken place.
A professor at the Amherst University says if measures that could stabilize the country's economic situation are not taken quickly, Chamisa's appeal will not stand up to pressure from the people.
If the economy doesn't improve, then their challenge is not going to be Nelson Chamisa. It's the next guy who's going to put himself on fire on the streets. It's not going to be the opposition that can be negotiated with. It's the people that are going to come back to Harare and try and burn down buildings. And we've seen this before in Zimbabwe. It's not new. So I think the government needs to be aware of who their actual electorate is and whom they should be paying attention to.
During his inaugural speech in late November, President Emmerson Mnangagwa spoke passionately about the economy of the Southern African nation. He said, for a new Zimbabwe to be born, it's important to encourage entrepreneurship while rallying all for the common good.